Hello and welcome to this Heart Coherence meditation for inner peace. My name is Sonia Ross. I'm a spiritual psychotherapist, an intuitive messenger, and an author. Begin by finding a peaceful and quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Allow yourself to relax and prepare for a journey into the center of your heart, where true inner peace resides. You may want to bring a hand to your heart to help you focus. Close your eyes gently or lower your gaze. Begin by taking a deep, slow breath in through your nose and exhaling softly through your mouth. Do this 3 times, allowing yourself to relax more with each breath, releasing any tension in your body. As you continue to focus on your breath, feel your muscles soften, your shoulders drop, and your jaw unclench. This is your time to connect with your heart, to find the deep peace that lies within you. Now begin to bring your attention to the area of your heart, right at the center of your chest. Imagine your breath flowing in through your heart and out through your heart, as if you were breathing directly from this space of love and peace. As you breathe in through your heart, feel the cool, calming energy entering your chest, filling you with light, warmth, peace, and love. As you breathe out, feel the release of any tension or worries leaving your body. Breathe in through your heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then breathe out through your heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let this gentle rhythm become your focus. Each breath in, you invite in peace. Each breath out, you release tension, anxiety, and worry. With each breath, notice how your body becomes more still and more calm. Now, as you continue to breathe through your heart, in and out, focus on the feeling of peace. Imagine a soft, glowing light in the center of your heart, a light that represents deep inner tranquility. As you breathe in through your heart, this peaceful light grows brighter, filling your entire chest with a soothing warmth. With each breath out, feel this peaceful energy expand beyond your heart, flowing through your entire body. Breathe in peace. Breathe out calm. Breathe in serenity. Breathe out release. Every breath you take strengthens the peaceful energy within you. As you remain focused on your heart, allow the peaceful light within to expand even further. Visualize it growing and radiating from your heart to fill your entire being with a deep sense of stillness and peace. With each inhale, imagine yourself drawing in more peace, more calmness, straight into the center of your heart. With each exhale, let go of any remaining stress or anxiety, releasing it completely. Breathe in through your heart and feel the stillness deepen. Breathe out through your heart and allow peace to settle within you. Now take a moment to fully experience this state of heart coherence. Notice how peaceful and balanced you feel. This is your natural rhythm of your heart and your breath, working together to create harmony within you. Know that this inner peace is always available to you, resting in the center of your heart. By simply returning to this heart-centered breath, you can access this calm at any moment. Breathe in peace and breathe out any remaining tension. Let your breath guide you deeper into this serene and balanced state. As we begin to close, take one final deep breath in through your heart, filling yourself with light and peace. And exhale through your heart, sending that peace to every part of your being. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body, but know that the peace you've cultivated within your heart remains with you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this deep sense of inner calm into the rest of your day. You can return to this state of heart coherence, breathing peace in and out through your heart whenever you need to feel centered and at ease. My name is Sonia Ross. Thank you so much for joining us for this heart coherence meditation. I hope it brings ease and comfort to your heart whenever you need it. If you'd like to continue to receive guided meditations, then please subscribe to our channel and click the bell because we post them weekly. If you would like to join our community, please consider subscribing to the upcoming channeled angelic newsletter, where I will give you a monthly channeled message from the angels. That information is in the description box and the first comment below. Thank you.